And we're back for another farm video. Thank you so much for joining us today as my mom gives us a tour of her farm and all her plants that she has growing there and all the beautiful flowers. So sit back and enjoy. What are you eating?
Apple.
Good job.
You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones.
And if you watch closer to the end, you'll see that some of my nieces and nephews answer questions about me. So be sure to stick around for that and for some traditional singing.
How the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. The pieces, hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line. The pieces, hey, you'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line.
We don't have pizza. We only have hot dogs. Go eat a hot dog? And cucumbers?
We're here to have a bonfire and have fun.
Are you having fun?
Yep,
Good.
definitely.
What's your name?
Laura,
What are you doing here?
just play. Teacher Alina.
Yeah?
Alina.
What do I do?
You clean the house. And
What
you
else?
do videos.
Do you like watching them? Are you only saying that because I'm your mom?
Yeah.
So, no?
I do like all of them.
Cook on the fire.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows. A lot of cousins?
Yeah.
Do you like having a lot of cousins?
Yeah.
Cook over the fire.
Hot dogs with pepper. Like this. Mama. Mama.
Is that an elephant?
No.
No? What am I?
25.
I'll take it. What do I like to do for fun?
Well, you make videos and you like to go to the lake a lot. Like just on hiking trips.
What do I have?
You got 4.
How long have I been married?
16 years? 17?
Okay.
You're afraid of snakes?
That's a good answer. I am. Anything else or is that it?
Mouses? Bears? Nope. Oh yeah, spiders?
Spiders? Food.
Asparagus.
Asparagus? You know, I do like asparagus, but I wouldn't say that's my favorite.
I know it's gonna be something healthy. Salad.
Salad's pretty good. To be honest, I don't even know what I like. There's so many things that I like.
I know.
Fruits and veggies, right?
And meat.
And meat. What color?
Maybe orange?
It's yellow. But orange is a good guess. Woo!
Please like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.